everyone, so I'm at Palace Mall at Spintex shopping for home appliances, specifically refrigerators, washing machines and ACs. Let's start with refrigerators. The brand we are starting with is Samsung. The price for this one is 8,299 Ghana cedis, which converts to about $745. The base is the fridge and the upper part is the freezer. So this is a double door top and bottom. The price with the shopping cart is 16,499 Ghana cedis. The top is the fridge and the base, obviously the freezer. Oh, I love this. I wish this was a double door. The outer finish is so nice. This is like an ice pack, useful in prolonged power outage situations to keep your items frozen for longer. The price for this is 15,299 Ghana cedis.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself
There's also a double door with water dispenser. It can dispense ice as well.
just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all
The left side is a freezer. That's your water container for the dispenser. The price for this one is 29,999 Ghana cedi. I hate these 99s. Yeah, but that's the price.
this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Okay, so moving away from Samsung, this is their LG section. With this first double door, you have your ice and water dispenser to the left. The price is 37,999 from this end. Or this is the card.
Yeah, this is the card.
Okay, so if you don't have the card, it's 44. To the right hand side, you can access the items you keep here without necessarily opening the whole fridge. I don't know, it looks nice and bougie, but it's not all that convenient. You still have to open a door, so technology won't kill us. But to see inside the fridge, you knock twice. That's nice though. Let's check out TCL. Their quality is thought to be above average with moderate pricing. Let's see how moderate the prices are. There's a double door with water dispenser. The price for this is 9,999 Ghana cedis. The nines again. This is going for 11,499 Ghana cedi, which converts to about $1,030. here is Nasco. This one is going for 4,999 Ghana cedi, and it comes with a water dispenser. This is smaller, but you still get a water dispenser. The price is 3,999 Ghana cedis. That's about $350. Now let's shift gears to their freezers. Which brand is this one?
We have Nasco.
This Nasco. Oh, okay. How much is this one going for? You are here.
This one was 9,200.
Was?
7 years. But now
So now
7,499.
7,499. That is still with the card or individual?
No, this is promo card.
This promo. This is a medium-sized one. It was 10,999 Ghana cedis, but now the price is 3,999 Ghana cedis. That's a sweet deal. This is TCL freezer, a standard size just like the Nasco ones we just checked. And the price for this?
9,200.
9,199. There's no reduction on this one, right?
This one is not on promo, but we can still give you this.
Something. Okay, the last one for the refrigerators before we check their air conditioners. This one is LG. This is a good one. The rating is 4 stars. We love that. The price is 8,299 Ghana cedis. These are your ACs too?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, is this 2.5?
Yes.
How much is that? The 2.5 is on promo for 8,999 Ghana cedi. The second one, which is 2.0, is going for 7,199 Ghana cedis. And the last one, which is 1.5 horsepower, is going for 4,349 Ghana cedi. I don't think I mentioned, but this is TCL. The brand is TCL. Okay, this media is 1.5 more. It's 4,499. It's 1.5.
Yeah, it's 5. The 2 are 1.5.
And this is okay. So the first 2 units from the bottom up are 1.5, and this is 2.0, going for 7,499 Ghana cedis. The last one up there is 2.5. The price is 13,100 Ghana cedis. How about these floor standing ACs? The one in the middle.
We can look.
It's also one.
This is 3.5 horsepower.
3.5.
Yes.
What's the price?
20,000.
1999.
The 2.0.
This was 9,000. It's the same price, right?
Yeah.
That's nice though. That's it for media and Nasco. Let's check out some songs. This is 2.5 horsepower and the price is 12,299 Ghana cedi, and that's about $1,100. And this one is a 1.5 going for 6,599 Ghana cedis. Now onto their washing machines. The brand here is Media. The price for this one is 3,549 Ghana cedi. This is too much manual work in my opinion, but you have a separate wash and rinse. Let's check out Nasco.
Now we have a front load too at home. So this is the 11 kg.
For the Nasco.
Yes.
That's sizable. You said 11, eh?
Yes.
So this Nasco washer is 5,699 Ghana cedi, which is about $510. But this Electrolux here was 10,999 Ghana cedis. And now the price is like 50% off, with the current price being 5,999 Ghana cedi. The capacity is 9 kg. This is media. The price is 5,490 Ghana cedis. That's about $490. This is 7 kg, by the way. Onto Samsung. This is their front loads. This one is 7 kg and the price is 7,999 Ghana cedis instead of 8,799 if you are using the card. Okay, that will be it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.